Hey, Scott with Destination Everywhere, and today we are packing. We only have 6 more days until we are off to the Philippines. So we have a few more things to get rid of, a few more things to pack, and we're done. This video is very short for the simple reason that we are extremely busy packing and getting everything ready so we can move out of the apartment and be on our way to the Philippines. Yeah, we're pretty excited and ready to get on our way.
Hey, if you like the videos, please show your love by clicking on the thumbs up button, and remember to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to get the latest videos.